Remember when we want to go to the Topkapi gate?
Yeah.
We stop with the taxi, and then down
Yeah.
it's to the sea. Maybe we can walk that,
That route.
and
yeah.
then
So this is the palace.
yeah,
So that must be
around here.
somewhere around this area.
Yeah.
Quick, get on the boat. This man's boat.
Yeah. Honey, would you please? Sunshine. Daisy. Yeah.
But I don't know where.
Bosporus Bridge, connecting from the Turkey, Europe, Brooklyn. Shit. The connecting bridge between Asia and Europe. Guys, ini this big wall it's a Topkapi Palace. That the palace since Mehmet the First and until Sulaiman and then the other. And then after they built another palace near the sea. Don't know what is the name. Dolmachi Palace.
Something like, yeah.
Dolmachi Palace is the last
That's 3 to it.
Sultan. Oh yeah. And then that will be really good for the next 2 weeks. They put all tulips flower here. Topkapi Palace, it's a more Turkish architecture, and then Dolmachi Palace is more European architecture. Yeah,
Probably, yeah. You could say, yeah.
more modern. That's a big palace. Between this and the other the new palace, it's, I think, this bigger.
I think just. That was quite big yesterday. It was long.
Yeah, long, but not, you know, this long and
Yeah.
it's good slope. It's really nice walking around here just for you know, like a picnic. Oh look, that's the parrot. We have friend here. Oh, gone. Chickies.
Drink.
No, we're waiting for McDonald's something. There's only one for drink. danger.